Welcome back. Before we take a look at the day's business news, let's take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. The Dubai Mercantile Exchange DME ended 2013 on a record high. Its flagship DME Oman crude oil futures contract posted year-on-year average daily volume or ADV trading growth of 36% with 6,355 lots per day. In November 2013, DME set a new record for ADV of 7,450 lots, equivalent to almost 7.5 million barrels of crude oil per day. The DME Oman contract consolidated its status as the Middle East's largest physically delivered crude oil futures contract, with more than 1.6 billion barrels of crude oil traded last year. New records in total monthly volume were also set in July 2013, with 162.4 million barrels of crude oil traded through the exchange. More than 60 companies now trade regularly through the exchange, representing all of the key stakeholders in the Asian crude oil markets, as well as growing numbers of financial participants from around the world. The chairman of the DME, Ahmad Sharaf, says the growth in our customer base last year with new trading members is a major confirmation of DME Oman's position as the key benchmark for crude oil trading for the Asian markets. This solid performance also demonstrates the underlying fundamental strength of the DME contract in building more liquidity and meeting demand for Middle Eastern sour crude oil. Underlining its local and international growth ambitions and broadening the appeal of its Islamic finance products and services to all communities in the UAE, Noor Islamic Bank has been renamed as Noor Bank. Launched today, the new brand expression is reflected across its sister companies. The new visual identities of Noor Takaful, Noor Trade, and Noor Awqaf reflect the business purpose across all financial sectors, while Noor Gets It Done will serve as Noor Bank's business purpose, becoming central to the Noor customer experience. Noor Bank officials say the simplified name highlights the financial institution as values-driven and principles-based, with Sharia compliance at the heart of its business decisions. The new brand focus is also aligned with Dubai's vision to be at the center of the global Islamic economy, according to Noor Bank's CEO and Group CEO of Noor Investment Group, Hussein Al-Kemzi.
We evolve, we grow. This is our 6th year, and probably we need to reflect the learning that we had over the past years. Our customers have told us two things. They have told us, actually, they call us Noor Bank, not Noor Islamic Bank. And they told us that you are different from others because you try harder and you get things done. That's what we've done today. We reflected this into our new feel and look. We think this is a very strong global look and feel. It's a strong brand that's identifiable not only for our business in this market, but also for the market around us, especially the one that we do business in. Strong, global, reliable. It really reflects who we are. And that's the only reason for change.
Dubai low-cost carrier flydubai has firmed up an $8.8 billion order for up to 111 new Boeing planes as it further strengthens its partnership with the U.S. manufacturer. The order, which was first announced at the Dubai Air Show in November, comprises 75 Boeing 737 MAX 8s and 11 next-generation 737-800s, with the airline retaining purchase rights for 25 more 737 MAXs. According to local reports, flydubai CEO Gaith Al Gaith was quoted as saying that the order is the largest single-aisle airplane purchase for the airline, signifying the maturing of the airline and the strength of its business model. The 737 MAX incorporates the latest technology, CFM engines, with airlines operating the 737 MAX seeing a 14% fuel use improvement over most fuel-efficient single-aisle airplanes, according to Boeing, who added that the planes offered 8% per seat lower operating costs than the future competition. The first flight is scheduled in 2016, with deliveries to customers beginning in 2017. Boeing said it has more than 1,700 orders to date for the 737 MAX. To date, flydubai has grown its fleet to 34 next-generation 737-800s. The price of the cheapest apartments in Dubai's Burj Khalifa has soared to nearly 5,000 dirhams per square foot, continuing the upward trend of properties in Dubai. Based on listed sale prices, the lowest priced residential unit in the world's tallest building is on sale for 2.7 million dirhams, equating to 4,945 dirhams per square foot. Research published last week by international real estate consultancy Clotons has found that residential units at the Burj Khalifa have risen in price by 13.6% since units were first handed over in January 2010. The value of apartments in the Emaar-built skyscraper reached a high of 9,000 dirhams per square foot in August 2008, before dipping to a low of 2,500 dirhams per square foot in February 2009. Since off-plan residential units were first sold for the development in July 2006, overall values have risen by 87.5%. Across Dubai, according to Clotons, average property prices currently stand at 1,359 dirhams per square foot, with the firm adding that in 2013, prices for apartments in the tower have risen by 25%, which has been supported in part by continued optimism surrounding Dubai's economic buoyancy. Last week, property indexing website Readin.com reported that property prices in Dubai have risen by more than 22% in 2013. The report found that apartment prices rose by 2.9% on a monthly basis. In November, real estate values rose by 2.44% according to Readin.com.